Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year guys. Today I'm going to review and install this beautiful honey blonde wig from UNice Hair. So guys, stay tuned and I hope you all enjoy today's video. So guys, as usual, the wig came with a couple of gifts, which includes a headband, some nails, some wig caps, and a mirror. And of course, they also added hair care instructions to help you take care of your wig. So now guys, onto the wig. As you can all see, this is called UNice Put On and Go wig, and the lace is a pre-cut lace and it's also a 6 by 4.5 lace, so it's not actually a full lace. This one is a little bit smaller, and as you can all see, it's got a headband in there to help you keep that wig secured. There's 3 combs, one at the back and one on each side of the wig. And guys, this is a honey blonde wig in 22 inches, and as you can all see, it is a body wave style as well. And I believe this is 180% density, so it's quite thick. So to keep my hair flat under the wig, I have my hair braided back, as you can all see, and I'm also using my edge control to sleek my edges back so it's out of the way. And for my wig cap, I'm using some foundation to tint the lace so that it matches my skin tone much better. You can do this, or you can buy one of those skin tone wig caps on Amazon, so it saves you so much time. So guys, this is the wig straight out of the box. I did not do anything to it, and as I mentioned already, the lace came pre-cut, so this is very beginner friendly. And right now I was just trying to see if I wanted to do a middle part or a side part, so I ended up going for a middle part. And I never tried a honey blonde wig like this, so I was a bit skeptical. I wasn't sure how it was gonna turn out, but as you guys continue watching, you'll see me just playing with it to make sure that it looks very natural. And even though it's glueless guys, it is so secured. You guys just saw me pulling it and it's not moving. So now guys, I'm hot combing the wig and making sure that it looks natural, the hairline looks good, because we're not gluing this. I just wanted to make sure that it looks really good. I also added some baby hairs to cover the lace a little bit. So guys, after setting the lace for a few minutes, this is how it looks. And as you guys can tell, I was very happy with the results. I was very scared. I wasn't sure how this was going to turn out. So when it turned out really good, I was very happy. And as you guys can see, I did a bit of baby hair to cover the lace since it's not glued on. The lace is looking very natural, which I'm very happy with. It's given frontal, even though it's a closure, which is amazing. And the knots are super invisible, as you can all see. This is a kind of wig that when you take it off, it's still going to look the same way it was looking on your head. Of course, it's low maintenance, but you still have to maintain it so that it looks that way. So guys, as you can all see, a bit later on, I went ahead and glued the wig because I wanted to keep it on for a couple of days or maybe a week. So I glued it on, and I also added some curls, and this is the results, y'all. It looks amazing. It looks natural. And I also forgot to mention that I did cut some of the lace off to give it a more natural look. Hey guys, I wasn't gonna come here and talk, but I feel like I really have a couple of things to say. So first of all, can we just appreciate the hair? Can we just appreciate this beautiful hair from UNice Hair? It is glueless. It is literally the most natural wig ever, as you guys can see. And you know, because it's blonde, I was a bit skeptical. I was a bit like, how is this gonna turn out? I don't believe I've ever tried like this color, especially from the roots, like the roots all the way down, you know. But I feel like if you're dark skin, light skin, whatever skin color you are, this wig it's perfect and it's gonna melt into your skin so good. I was so scared at first. I wasn't sure how it was gonna turn out, if it was gonna match my skin tone, if it was going to suit me. But y'all, I don't have to say too much, you guys can see for yourself. It is glueless and I didn't cut the lace. I think the only thing I did is just my baby hairs, and I just made sure that the top is flat and it just sits like the way I want it to sit. It is literally easy to throw on and go, beginner friendly. I know a lot of people say beginner friendly, but this is very beginner friendly. It's not a full lace. I don't remember exactly the size of the lace. I will leave it somewhere on the screen, but it's giving like a frontal, guys. Like it literally looks like I have a whole full lace stuck on. And what knots? What knots? Do you see any knots? Let me know what you guys think about this wig in the comment box. Everything about the wig will be left in the description box. And if I have a code for some money off, which I most likely will, I will leave that in the description box as well, so you guys can check it out. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that thumbs up so more people can discover this video. Make sure you turn on the bell so that every time I upload, you'll be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.